This is the mask of my classmate Luis. What I love about his mask is how he did the cat claws and how he was accurately able to get the shaping of the paws and the claws. One thing one thing I think he can improve on is the red coloring. It looks a bit dark, but does sort of work for the sake of blood. Overall, while this is pretty violent looking, it does have like a nice sort of fantasy feeling to it for the sake of horror or even just cat lovers in general.